Now here we're actually going to see that this particular meeting, or it's actually a call, two people. Well, we were doing audio and video, but we did have an experience problem. The overall experience was 2.83, not that great. And we can see that one of the users was connected. It's only two people, it's a call. One user is using Wi-Fi. The other user is connected via video. They are sharing video and they are having the audio conversation. We know video takes a lot of bandwidth as well. One person is connected on TPG, which is an internet service provider, and the other one is on Singtel. Now we can actually see from their locations where they're located, but we also can see their headset and their video cameras. One video camera is the built-in video camera on the device, and the other one is one built into the actual HP laptop. Both were on Microsoft Teams. If one of your participants was using Skype for Business, for example, the client would be a Skype for Business client. You can see that mix. This is particularly for those of you who have a variety of your migration where you've got some users that are still using Skype for Business either online or on-prem or continuing over and moving. We can see one user was using a Mac OS and the other a Windows. So we're kind of, in this case, it's 50-50 because it is a call. Now, these aren't necessarily problematic or hotspots besides the first in that we've got a Wi-Fi connection is the first area that I would look at as particularly an issue. But if I were to scroll down, and I'm actually going to take a snapshot and scroll into this, and here we're looking at the remaining information specifically around the call. Now, again, this is a call between two people. I have blurred out the individual names here to protect them. But was a quick call about 3 minutes long. Both had an audio score of 2.83. They did not rate the call. So we don't have a rate my call at the end of it, but 2.83 is unacceptable. They do have one session and one segment, which you can see here in the lower right-hand corner. If I were to troubleshoot this I can drill into the user, but I can also drill into the session and segments. Other information that we contain about this is we also understand how many media streams, was it all teams, and we give you some information from here. And from here we can actually go across anywhere to look at this and troubleshoot this a bit further. So last thing I'm going to show you is that we actually can look at endpoint readiness. And with endpoint readiness, we can actually determine what audio devices and what video devices and what platforms or particularly clients are currently being used. And from here, we can drill into understanding what's the problems or how particular people are using things specifically.